To create a Kali Linux VM, you need to download the OVA file from Kali Linux website. So to do that, just go ahead and click on the link, um, and then scroll down. As soon as you are in the Kali Linux website, scroll down to the Kali Linux VirtualBox images, and right here on VirtualBox 64-bit, just click it, and you should be uh, downloading the Kali Linux. I've done this step already, so I'm gonna go ahead and cancel. Um, so now what you have to do is open your VM, your VirtualBox, then go to File, Import, then add the download you just done here, then click on Open. And for some reason, VirtualBox is not